In terms of what programs, I've only ever used one, and like I don't want to make this like some sort of ad for them, but I've only ever used the Adobe software. But there's heaps. You got Corel, you got Affinity Designer, whatever you call it. There's a lot more to choose from in the market. It doesn't matter. I don't think it matters what type you use, to be honest. There are limitations with some. For a if you're just starting out and looking to have a taste of it, use whatever. Use whatever you can get your hands on. Does not matter at all. When you start working as more of a professional, then you need to sort of think about what type, because there are certain industry standards when you start working with other companies and their marketing team and all that sort of jazz. I'd rather be in the industry standard, so whatever I produce, whatever working files I give out, the company I work with can easily open them up, use them, edit them. It's just better for my clients that I use certain particular software. What you say now, doesn't matter. Use whatever. Just do it. Do you need to know how to draw to be a designer? No, I don't think you need to know how to draw. It depends on what type of design you're talking about. I think if you're going to be an illustrator, yes, you need to have good fundamental drawing skills to be an illustrator. Just do illustrative design, like characters, you know, those in like books and stuff. We've all got the character cartoons and that sort of thing. Yes, you need to know how to draw. I don't think I've seen anyone that doesn't know how to draw in that space. But when we're talking about other like corporate design and stuff where like even logo design as well, I don't think it's necessary. It does help. It's a very good skill to, like I said, it's like one of your fundamentals. So I'd always recommend someone know how to draw before they do that sort of stuff, but it's not necessary. You don't have to be good at it. You don't have to be a professional artist, drawer, person to be able to sketch out concepts of a logo, for example. You know, you just need to know how to put pen to paper in terms of ideas. So not draw it perfectly, but you do need to know how to get your ideas from your brain onto a piece of paper. Whether that's with good drawing or semi alright drawing, it's not that important. That's my theory. But if you are going to be an illustrator, I'm pretty sure you need to know how to draw, because your fundamentals come from the sketch, from the drawing of the cartoon, the character. You can't have a crappy drawing and then expect it to look good digitally. I don't think it works like that.